Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two AI website builder, which is Butter AI and Wix AI. So to get started with a quick overview, Butternut AI is a relatively new player focused on AI-driven website creation for small businesses and individual entrepreneurs. It combines AI and automation to deliver professional website without requiring any design or any coding skill. Butternut AI is designed for quick website launches with an emphasis on speed and simplicity, especially for those with a limited time or a technical expertise. Talking about the Wix website, on the other side, is a more established platform, also focused on AI-powered design tools through its artificial design intelligence, which also offer a robust set of features like a template to full customization option, making it suitable for business of all sizes. It's ideal for users who want a more customizable and a scalable platform with a wide range of tools. And talking about the strength and weakness of this platform, starting with the Butternut AI. So revealing the strength, the AI, it has an AI-powered design process that auto-generates the website. It also comes with a very quick setup and a great for users in a hurry. It also helps you simplify clean interface with an easy to use builder. Then talking about the downside about this platform, which is the weakness, it has a limited features or large scale e-commerce or a complex website. It doesn't lack of extensive templates which varieties compared to other builders. And here's a quick review about the strength of Wix platform. So talking about the Wix platform, Wix ADI generates a website based on user input, so has the large varieties of templates for different type of sites, and also come with an expensive app in the marketplace and a third play integration. And talking about the downside about this platform, it can be overwhelming for beginners due to the numbers of options, slower loading times with some complex sites, and also premium pricing can add up for a premium advanced features. And here's a overall conclusion about this platform. So it shows the Butternut AI. If you need a quick, no-fuss website and want a full driven setup without the complexity of a full featured platform. On the other side, you can simply opt for Wix if you want a more customizable platform that scale tools and AI-powered design for each business, for simple website to large e-commerce store. Thank you.